So the Polestar 2 infotainment system is built on Android Automotive. It has Google Assistant, Google Maps, and Google Play Store inside. Now let's take a look at the home screen. So you see a 4-tile layout. This is the Polestar design. So you have maps, you have phone, and then you have media apps, as well as a driver performance app. Now the home screen is configurable, so you could move apps from one pane to another and then have your home screen set the way you want. Let's take a look at Google Maps. Let's find a place for us to go to. Okay, Google, how far is Monterey?
If you drive, Monterey is 83.7 miles away.
Okay, Google, take me there.
Monterey, all right.
So maps will start to route you, basically pick the best route to Monterey with traffic information, arrival time, distance, etc. Now, this is an electric vehicle and Maps is aware of that. So basically Maps will also compute estimated battery on arrival. So that says 55%. So you can decide whether you want to make a charging stop or not. Let's say you do want to make a charging stop. Okay, Google, charging stations. So it will show you a list of charging station along your route. So you could pick the one that you want. Now this is an electric, Maps will only show you connectors that are compatible with this car. So you can be confident that this will work with this vehicle. And it'll also show you real-time availability. Let's go ahead and add this stop, and the trip summary will update. So let's shift gear into this screen. So this is a 12.3-inch driver display. So this is in the Maps mode, so it will mirror Google Maps guidance as you see here. So even if somebody were to interact or do some searching there, the Maps, this view will stay put. And I'm going to circle through a couple of different modes. Now this is a calm mode where it has minimalistic, like a simplified view of things. So just the pertinent information for a driver. And then this is a car-centric mode where there's more car sensors information that will be shown. And then back at the Maps mode. Let's exit out of Google Maps and then talk about some media apps that we have. So we have a few third-party media apps here. So we have Google Play Books, Spotify, iHeartRadio, Radioline, YouTube Music, and NPR. Let's take a look at Spotify. So this has been designed for automotive, on Android Automotive. So you have the familiar Spotify's recommendations, the recently played, and then you could pick by genre, category, or access your playlist. And you can also initiate playback using your voice. Okay, Google, play You Lit My Fire.
Sure, You Lit My Fire by Anne Brun, playing on Spotify.
So yeah, while you stay focused on the road, if you have a particular song in mind, it's easy to search on Assistant. And the now playing screen has bigger icons, bigger tap targets, so it's easy for a driver to take quick action. Or you could also use Assistant to say pause or next song. And you can also initiate playback using the UI. Let's go to one other media app. So let's do Radioline.
Sponsorship of the KQED live stream by Xfinity from Comcast. With Xfinity, customers can watch TV.
Can I search any radio station in the world?
On this app? That I'm not familiar what exactly this app offers. I can connect you with somebody who would know the details on it. So this is provided by Radioline, so the content depends on what they offer. Yeah. So you should, whatever they offer, you should be able to search using that search icon.
Can you install new apps?
Can you install new apps?
Yeah.
So the ones that will be automotive approved through the Play Store. So it's similar to the phone Play Store approval process, but there will be an automotive approval. Once that happens, then you can install any app. And then you also have the traditional car radio, which the Assistant also integrates with. So you can ask play 88.5 FM and that will work as well.
That's right.
I'm just going to pause this. Yeah. And then let's talk about, staying connected while you're on the road. Now let's say you want to make a phone call. Okay, Google, call Brittany.
Calling Brittany Coleman, home.
Yeah, so you keep driving and then you use your voice and you can make phone calls. Now let's say if you were to get a text message and you can ask Google, okay Google, read my messages.
You've got a new message from Amanda Peter on Messenger. It says, hope you're enjoying I.O. Do you want to reply?
Yes.
Okay, what's the message?
Thank you.
I got, thank you. Do you want to send it or change it?
Send it.
Okay, it's sent.
The
That
text
was the
is
last one.
displaying in the screen the message you received.
Yeah.
Because you're like parked, or is always showing?
Correct. So that's also customizable by the car maker. So what kind of information is available during driving mode as well as park mode.
Okay.
And then we just got the text message back that assistant, we just ask assistant to send. And so assistant is not just integrated with the apps, but also with the car. So you could also adjust the temperature or turn on seat heaters by asking assistant. Okay, Google, turn on seat heaters.
Sure, turning on the seat heating for the driver.
So here you'd see it's actually turned on right here. Now let's switch gears and take a look at the vehicle settings app. So this is designed and developed by the Polestar team. So you have all of the vehicle functions that are accessible here. So you can turn off regenerative braking on off, or if you want to set speed limit warning, or see the charge levels, and additional lighting configuration that you want to do, all available through here. And then lastly, this is a multi-user system. So if cars are generally shared devices or shared environments, so if you want to have your own profile, you can set it up. So as you walk in, your seat and everything will be adjusted to your environment, and then you can keep going. That's our demo.